National President Dudes, Vice President Jerry, to our overall TL in Mindanao, Sherwin, Yamaha Y Club sponsors, NCP teams and chapters, good afternoon, and welcome to NCP First Visayas Grand Convention. Always remember the three things we uphold as NCP members: passion, love, and respect.
I would like to take this opportunity to extend my warmest congratulations to everyone. Everyone. Kahit wala dito or nandito, basta NCP ka, part ka nito.
And at the same time, we're very excited kasi after the 5th convention ng NCP sa Mindanao, tapos kasunod naman to. And then meron pa isa ulit this year sa Mindanao and meron sa Luzon. So nakakatawa kayo NCP, no? Maraming salamat sa inyo. Palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo.
So we're very glad and we're very lucky to have NMAX Club Philippines. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang po yung passion na meron kayo forever. Hindi lang for this year, but forever. Thank you so much, NCP, and congratulations.
This afternoon, again, I would like to say thank you for having with us and thank you for choosing Mandawi as your venue in your first convention sa NMAX Philippines. Salamat po!
So, uuwi kami ni Pres bukas at babalik na po sa Maynila na dala ang balitang saya na nangyari ngayong gabi. Yun nga, binubuhay namin ni Pres yung ating tatlong sign: respect, passion, and love. So po yan, sana po ay pairali natin sa buong NCP yan. Kasi po, pagka yan po ay nawala, napakahirap po.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, NCPians. Lahat po kayo ay parte ng success ng Grand Convention, Mapa-Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Lahat po ng NCPians ay may parte sa success na ito. Kaya maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang NCP!